Hi guys, welcome to another video. So today we have got another parcel from Temu. Guys, I have got something well exciting to show you. So for those of you that's not heard of Temu, Temu is an online marketplace. They sell pretty much everything from beauty stuff to homeware, pet supplies, clothes, shoes, electrical items, automobile stuff. They literally sell everything on there, guys. And everything on there is super affordable. So for anyone that is new to Temu, I've got some massive benefits for you. I'm going to leave a link pinned in my comments. If you click that link, download the Temu app to your device, you'll get a massive £100 coupon bundle. And when you go to place your first order, if you pop the discount code in, which is also pinned in my comments, you'll get a huge 30% off your whole order as well. Now, depending on what country that you live in, shipping is free and it is all tax-free as well. But like I say, guys, that depends on what country that you live in. I'm in the UK and for me, it's free shipping and tax-free. So, shall I show you what we found? I'm just going to pop the bag to the side of me and I'm just going to pull bits out and show you what we've got. Now, like I normally do as well, guys, in the bottom left-hand corner of the screen here, I'm going to pop the price that I paid. And I'm also going to leave the links to everything that I show you today in my description box. So if there's anything that you've seen me shown that you're interested in, all you've got to do is click the link and it will take you straight on over to that product. Super easy. So let's get started, shall we? First up is some solid extension gel in the colour Nude. So this is OS Nail Mall. I like that you've got your ingredients on here. I really like that. Let's have a look at the colour, shall we? So you get 10ml. Ooh, that looks a nice colour, doesn't it? My kind of colour. I like that. So, like I say, that is in the colour Nude. I will be doing a set with this very soon, so keep your eyes out for that video. Next up, we've got some neon pigments, but it looks like the pink has leaked a little, gutted. So we've got red, purple, orange, pink, pink, another shade of orange, blue, yellow, white and green. Now, I have got some of these already, but I haven't got as many colours as this. I think I've got 6 colours. But I wanted these so I can mix other colours as well. If any of you have not tried these neon pigments, guys, they are highly pigmented. They're really, really nice to use. So it looks like I'm going to have to give them a clean up after I finish recording. Yay! Lovely. Next up, we have got a gel polish. Product name, Do Oling Day Nail Gel Polish. Can't actually remember what this was. I like that it comes in a box. So you get 10ml. Again, you've got your ingredients on the back, which I like. Oh yeah, I remember what this is. So the colour is KJ78. Guys, look at this. Stunning this is. So it's like a milky white, but look at the bits in it. Oh, my camera's not going to do that justice whatsoever. Shall we give this a swatch and have a proper look? Can you see them bits in it? Oh, it's so pretty. Look at that. We're definitely going to give that a swatch. One sec. Let me just get a swatch stick out, guys, and we'll take a proper look at it. I like that. That is so pretty. It's a lot sparklier to the eye than what my camera's doing it justice. It's really, really pretty colour. There was a few different ones of these to choose. Oh, can you see it better there? Look at that. It's so pretty. Yeah, like I was saying, there's a few different colours on that listing, guys. So if you do want to go over and have a look, see what other ones they've got. Like I said earlier, I shall leave the link in my description box below. Next up, we have this pack of nail charms. Now, I got these because, you know the little 3D flowers, what we was using all last year? They've brought some different shapes out, and I wanted to see what they was like. I didn't want to just get them and they're way too big, so I thought if I get these, because you get a few of the different ones in it, I can kind of get an idea first before I buy individual ones. There's loads of these. I'm going to have to get a couple of them out. Right, so I think that's pretty much one of everything. So you get all of these. They were so cheap as well, guys. So you remember these little flowers we was all using last year? They've brought some new shapes out. So these are the new shapes. You got this one, this one, this one. There is some other shapes as well. I'll show you them later because I've brought another couple of packs. Look at this little fish. I love that fish. That is stunning. Got a teddy bear. I love this starfish as well. That's really pretty. Little diddy bitty love hearts. They're really, really cute, aren't they? I was just hoping these was going to be a little bit smaller, you know, this kind of size. This one's not too bad, but yeah, these two are a little bit too big. I like them. I think they're cute. And like I said, they was really, really cheap. So we got all those. And we've got these ones. Let's have a little look at these, shall we? So some of these are way too big, guys. I mean, you could use them on kawaii sets, I suppose. But this is why I wanted to get like a mixed bag so I can get an idea of the sizes of these new flowers. These aren't too bad. These ones. That's not too bad. A little bit big, but not too bad. I mean, you compare it to the ones that were floating about last year. Look how tiny they are. They're quite a lot bigger, aren't they? Love this little shell, that's pretty. The little teddy bear's cute. Little snowflake's cute. Yeah, there's some well cute ones in there. So you get all those in that pack. And then lastly, I've got this one. This one not so much for the flowers. This one more so because it's got some really cute bits in it. So this one here, you don't get nowhere near as many. You get, I think, is it 30? I think it might be 30 pieces. But I really like this mushroom. I thought that was really, really cool and unusual. The teddy's really cute. These wings are pretty. Angel wings and the little bow. Some cute bits in there, aren't there? I mean, again, these are way too big for nail art. But if you're doing a kawaii set, they're ideal for a cute little kawaii set. So that's all the charms. We are actually down to the last item now, guys. But I have saved the best till last. Wait until you see these. So, these are a pack of 12 15-gram polygels by Misscheering. They come in a box like this. Wait until you see these colours, guys. Now, I saw Unpolished by Aggie show these in her Temu haul recently, and I was blown away by the colours of these. Don't pay any attention to these colours because these are not the colours. These are some of the colours. That's 6 of them. I really like how it comes in this box. Guys, check these out. They're absolutely stunning. I am going to give them a swatch today because I need to swatch them anyway. But let me give you an idea. Look at this. Look at that, guys. They're all filled with gorgeous shimmery bits. Oh, they're stunning. I honestly haven't seen polygels like these. They're beautiful. So on the box, it gives you your instructions, your ingredients. It also gives you nice detailed pictures of how to use the polygel as well. Should we get them swatched and have a look at them? I'm so excited for these. I'm that excited, guys. This video wasn't even supposed to be recorded today, but I couldn't wait any longer to get them swatched and share them with you. So, first up, number 1. Number 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. 11. And last, but certainly not least, number 12. Oh, I love it. Love it. Guys, look at all those colours. So I'm just going to give them a cure and we're going to see what they cure like. So there we are, guys. Let's have a look at these colours, shall we? Wow. They are absolutely stunning. My camera's not even doing these justice whatsoever because, for instance, this green one here has got that beautiful golden shimmer where it just looks like a silver shimmer there, but it's not. It's got that beautiful golden shimmer. I can't even pick a favourite. I actually really like all of them. They all cured perfectly as well. I cured them for 2 minutes and they've all fully cured, and they're quite thick lumps, some of them, but they're all fully cured in 2 minutes, so I'm happy with that. I've got a few favourites, to be honest. I really like this pink one. That again's got that beautiful golden shimmer. This blue one is beautiful, and I actually really like this red one. Oh, I don't know, this blue's pretty as well. Oh, I like all of them. But I'm probably going to have to go with this purple one, you know. Can you see that golden shimmer in the purple? You can see it a bit better in the purple, can't you? Oh, they're all beautiful. Even yellow, and I'm not even a fan of yellow. So come on, guys, let me know in the comments which is your favourite colour, if you can choose one. I've got so many ideas in mind what I want to do with some of these colours. Let's have a look at this other swatch very quickly again as well. So that's all been top coated now. Again, really, really pretty shimmer running through it. Stunning. Love it. So there we are, guys. That is everything for today's Temu haul. Some of the bargains that I found. I still can't get over these polygels, guys. They are absolutely stunning, aren't they? Like I said earlier, I've not seen anything like them. I've seen like the odd colours dotted about, but I've never seen a full collection of 12 that beautiful. Every single one of them. So I shall leave links to all the products that I showed you today in my description box below. New users, don't forget to take advantage of that £100 coupon bundle and the 30% off your first order. Like I said earlier, I shall pin all that in my comments down below. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. Oh, and one other thing as well, guys. I have got another Temu order already on the way. Another one. I'm addicted. I am definitely addicted. So yeah, if you enjoyed today's video, guys, please give it a thumbs up. And I hope to see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.